How to create the fixed sidebar on Wix. In order to do that, click on this plus icon right here in order to add an element. So for this one, let's choose in here this decorative. You can also choose in here this menu and anchor if you want. However, all the menus that they have right here is just horizontal menus. And so far, there are no vertical menus, or you can also just choose in here this. So for example, let's choose in here this blue thing and then just drag it right around here and let's attach it right here. Now it will be attached. So next thing we need to do is to just right click on it. And then from in there, you just need to head over and then pin it to screen. Click on the pin to screen. Now, whenever users try to scroll down, this particular element will still be added to your screen and it will be put onto the particular position. So just head over and publish it in order to make this possible. So that's how you create the text sidebar on Wix. Hope we helped.